Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. So, I have been getting a ton of questions about the TFT screen on the Aula S98 Pro. So, I'm going to give you a couple of how-tos. Here is the GIF that I have on my keyboard right now, and I love it. It's super cute, but I want to change it to something very specific, and I want it to take up the whole screen instead of look like a square. So, the build that I have, I want a black and blue clouds. So, go into Canva. And I have Canva Pro. I'm going to go into whiteboard, and then I'm going to select it, and I'm going to immediately resize it. The size you need to take up the whole screen is a custom size, and that size is 320 by 176 pixels. So once I open that size, I'm going to open, and it's perfectly ready to take up the entire screen. So now I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to search. I want a mystical black and blue cloud. I want it to have sparkling stars and all the things. So first I'm going to search it, and it's very good at giving you a great stock image, but if it doesn't, I can create it later. But I try not to use AI if I can. So I'm going to go in, and this one I really like, so let me pull it. Now this is a pro image, and that is a problem. I'll show you why. I'm going to go ahead and expand it, and now I'm going to go and I'm going to try to animate it. Go to Edit, Image to Video, and it's going to tell me I cannot do that with a Pro image. Well, this is the image that I want, so I'm going to download it. Nope, you cannot download a Pro image without it having something else on it. Fine. Go to Text, do Heading, and put any letter that you want. It doesn't matter. Now go to Share, download it as a PNG, and I'm going to show you how we work this. Now you go and upload that file with the S on it, expand it to the 320 by 176, and the first thing I always try is go to Edit and go to Grab Text. Now it's going to say, oh no, I don't see any text. No big deal. Go back to Edit, go to Magic Grab, and now see if it grabs it. And it does. Just click on the S, hit Grab, and now when you come back to your screen, the X is separate. Just go ahead and hit this trash can button and delete it. Boom, here is your image. Go back to Edit, go back to Image to Video, and generate a 3-second video. Now once it's done, if you like it, go ahead and add it. You can regenerate it, but I really like the way it came out. So now you've added it, go back to Share, Download, and make sure you download it as a GIF. So once that's done, go to your Aula S98 Pro software. Make sure you are in with the wired mode. Go to the screen and go to Import. Now I'm going to grab what I just created. Forget what it looks like on the top. Just look at the preview on the bottom. It takes up the whole screen. Now upload that to the keyboard. Now that will take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet and all the things. But here it is loading. We're just getting to the tail end. And there she is. Absolutely perfect, and I love it. Now, let me know down in the comments if you have any further questions or if you want me to make a special GIF for you. Stella and I would love it if you would like, subscribe, share, and comment.